Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use PowerShare on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on battery. Now after opening battery, scroll down and here you will see a wireless power sharing option. So click on this option and here you will see a on off button. So to use PowerShare on your Samsung Galaxy S24, just simply turn on this button. So to turn on this button, you have to charge your battery to 30%. If your battery is lower than 35%, then you will not be able to use PowerShare in your mobile. So first of all, charge your mobile up to 35% and then you can use this PowerShare feature. So that's how you can use the PowerShare on Samsung Galaxy S24. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.